Happy Mother's Day to all the wonderful mothers. So one of the signs of postpartum depression is you have no excitement towards it, becoming a mother or towards the baby. Actually have faced it in first person. This is a myth that as a mother, as soon as you deliver a baby, suddenly you become this mother. होता ये I think कि pregnancy तक औरतों को बहुत special treat कराया जाता है. Eventually the child can also say, no, I never asked you for the sacrifices. You decided to sacrifice for me. So it should not become their burden and our guilt. Once I became a mother, I told my mom, parents are fraud. Huh?
Pariva, your career is long enough. Do you think you have got that one show that you were looking for? Like,
Hi, I'm Pariva Pranati and you're watching me on midday.com.
Hello and welcome to midday.com. This is Shachi Chaturvedi and today in conversation with us, we have our favorite Pariva Pranati.
Hello.
Hi Pariva,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm fine, how are you?
So first of all, happy Mother's Day to you.
Thank you so much.
And what are your plans for this Mother's Day?
On a Mother's Day, I think it's the protocol should be about celebrating the mothers. So ideally, the children should be making a plan. So hopefully Sakya Tharva will do something. But in general, I think mothers should be made to feel special every day.
Right.
So that is one thing. And at home, my son, अभी वो छोटा है तो उसके लिए सबसे बड़ा surprise is the cards that he makes. So wo and just generally he's quite enthusiastic about everything, celebrating everything. So
Well, it's been good couple of years since you become a mother.
Yeah.
So how life has changed after?
becoming a mother,
Yeah.
I think the priorities change. Like before you are a mother, you are the only one that's a priority. You're taking care of yourself and managing, especially single women who are working here. But once you become a mother, the priority is the child, his safety, his health, and that he becomes a good human. For me, that is very important, that he turns out to be a good human.
You are a real life mother
Yeah.
and playing a mother in real.
Yeah.
So how much of Pranati comes in play when she is playing Vandana?
There is a difference of character between us, but in normal life, I'm the one who has generally more patience with the child. So if he's doing something, I'll try and make him understand instead of screaming at him. Like I've told him that अगर मम्मा डांटे तो you tell me कि तुमने promise किया था तुम डांटोगी नहीं, तुम समझाओगी. So अभी मैं अगर कभी if I'm losing it and then he'll suddenly first thing he's very smart that way चालू so he'll tell me तुमने promise किया था तुम डांटोगी नहीं, तुम समझाओगी. So then I'm shut up. You have to shut up and I'm like अच्छा हाँ right.
But even now, in recent past, we have started discussing postpartum depression.
Yeah.
But during your time, you must have went through it.
Yeah.
And other women must have went through it. But how difficult it was for you when people was not realizing that
See, my child is like 5-6 years old,
Yeah.
so but it's not that past. Us time pe postpartum depression, I think, was people had become aware of it. But I would say rather my mom and about 20 years ago, 15-20 years ago, people actually were not aware of it. So abhi, thankfully, off late, people have started talking about it. And I think mothers somewhere felt ashamed of the fact that they were not feeling anything for the child.
Acha.
So one of the signs of postpartum depression is you have no excitement towards it, becoming a mother or towards the baby. And I recently spoke about it also. I spoke to JD sir also about it because we have a track coming. I told him we must do something about postpartum depression because I actually have faced it in first person. That this is a myth that as a mother, as soon as you deliver a baby, suddenly you become this mother who has all this mamta ki feeling towards the child. Actually, ऐसा नहीं होता है. A lot of people, especially with the kind of lifestyle we have these days, so there is also this thing, okay, I'll not be able to go to my work or I'll not be able to do this for a long time that you've been doing. So a lot of things lead to that postpartum depression and then you actually don't relate to the child for some time.
Oh.
So you've given birth but you feel nothing for the baby for a little while.
Oh, you went through it?
Yeah, I also went through it. So it took me time. So it takes time. I think the one thing that they don't want to hear when a woman is going through postpartum depression is sab theek ho jayega, because it's not that they're not aware of sab theek ho jayega. It's that they are hormonally also there's so much changing in their body that after all the samajdari in the world also they don't want to understand. They don't feel like understanding. So that is what postpartum depression is. I think it just needs a support system. You need to be made to, you should be treated as special. होता ये आई थिंक कि प्रेगनेंसी तक औरतों को बहुत स्पेशल ट्रीट कराया जाता है, बच्चा होते ही बच्चा स्पेशल हो जाता है, माएँ थोड़ी सी बैकग्राउंड में चली जाती है. सो इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर दैट person who's gone through so much. It's like a rebirth for the mother also. So उनको भी उतना केयर चाहिए, अच्छा खाना, टाइम से उनका ध्यान रखना, everything. They should be treated as a baby too by the families. So.
That's true. But you know what you and your husband do? Your jobs are not 9 to 5 jobs.
No.
So how do you guys manage and how do you guys divide your responsibility?
See, generally he's an actor and a wildlife photographer.
Yes.
So he's traveling a lot. So when he's here, he takes charge of everything generally. My thing is that post pack up, if my son wants to eat something that I have cooked, then I'll go home and cook. And generally I try that if I pack up on time and reach home on time, one meal I want to feed him, because I want to take care of his nutrition and stuff. Thankfully, my parents stay in Mumbai.
Achha.
So if he has his holidays going on and Puneet is not there, I am busy. So I send him there. Because he enjoys being with the grandparents. He should also, as children, I like the fact that children should have that connection with grandparents.
Right. World looks at mothers like they are nurturers. But a few of us choose to work.
Yeah.
And that is when the mother's guilt comes into play. Did you ever feel that guilt?
No. It is a predominant factor of, I think, becoming a mother. That you do feel guilty if you're taking care of yourself, if you're having fun without your child, if you're stepping out and going for a party with your colleagues. There's always a tendency to feel the guilt. Which I try to, I'm like, okay, it's very important for me as a person to also be happy. If I keep compromising on my happiness because I have to take care of a child, tomorrow when the child is growing up, I'll probably become that mother कि तुम्हारे लिए मैंने ये किया, तुम्हारे लिए मैंने वो किया. That is the space I don't want to enter. मैं जो कर रही हूँ वो अपनी खुशी से उसके लिए कर रही हूँ और अपने लिए कर रही हूँ. Is the space I want to be in. Because I think eventually the child can also say, no, I never asked you for the sacrifices. You decided to sacrifice for me. So it should not become their burden and our guilt. So that is why I try to make him understand things. Like, kabhi kabad hota tha when, because he was very small when I started working. He was 3 years old, barely 3. So he used to cry at times when I was leaving for work, if Puneet was also traveling. So I used to, gradually I've put it in his system that it's important for me to work.
You took a break during your pregnancy,
Yeah.
right? And then you chose Wagle Ki Duniya
Yeah.
after coming back.
Yeah.
Why so? Why this show?
I think, from the very beginning, for me, I mean, I like doing television. It's a very home medium for me. But for me, the one thing was always a condition was that I don't want to do typical television show where there's a Saas Bahu story where one is villain, one is... I always wanted to do a show which has some social message, something that leaves the audience thinking. So, plus entertaining. So, I wasn't really expecting Wagle Ki Duniya to happen then. But I have an association with JD Sir, Atish sir, that they always used to call me whichever show they were starting. They have always, ki, acha, we're starting, do you have dates? So, hota tha to we used to work together. Nahi hota tha, I used to tell them ki next project. So, it's this production of Hats Off is like home for me. And I didn't want to leave my child too early, so I wanted him to start speaking before I, started working. So that thing was there because I didn't want that guilt exactly.
Right.
So once he started speaking, he started moving around, he started eating on his own, is when I was thinking. I was exploring story writing rather. I was not really exploring to come back to acting. So I was writing stories. I was very happy doing that, and that's when JD sir called up.
Pariva, your career is long enough. Do you think you have got that one show that you were looking for, like that is what I was looking for, or you are still looking for something?
See, Wagle is in a lot of ways the kind of show that I wanted to do. There was the show before this I was doing called Sister Didi.
Yes,
on Sony Pal with DJ's production house, and that show had a similar fabric that it was episodic stories where I and my nursing staff was fixed, and we had these stories coming up in the hospital. So that was also a lot of fun to do. So I want to attract such shows to me, which give me this satisfaction that there's something that I'm giving to the society.
Why are you not trying OTT?
बागले से दिन मिलते ही नहीं है. We are booked like the entire month. OTT, I would love to try OTT, definitely. Good content anywhere, any medium is welcome. For me, one thing that I've always believed in, a good television show is better than a bad film. So that is one thing that I believe. So I can't just do something because it's a movie or it's on OTT. I want to do good work, whichever medium.
Okay, somebody told me that for a TV actor to do work in OTT is not that easy, and TV actors were often asked to take break.
And then start.
Yeah, do you think it's true?
I don't think. I think अगर कोई टीवी पे ट्रेनिंग मिल जाए ना, वो कहीं पे भी एक्टिंग कर सकता है. कि आपको 2 पेज के डायलॉग मिलते हैं and you have to emote them correctly in the short time span that you get. It prepares you like no other medium does, frankly. I understand because television पे एक time, I don't think Wagle is that kind of a show. Wagle we have kept in a very real zone, but I'm sure there are some shows on some channels where there's a tendency of doing loud work, also where camera was doing more acting than the actor, so that could lead to this notion. But I think a good actor, Irfan Khan was from television. So I don't think there's a better, bigger actor than Irfan Khan. So, and he did a loud character on television. So I believe a good actor can come from any medium. It's not really कि TV से नहीं, OTT से नहीं या film से नहीं.
Pariva, the way you have tasted motherhood is not something everybody goes through that journey. So with your experience of being an actor, managing work, life, and
home, yeah.
What experience do you want to share?
See, I don't just have my child at home. I have like 3 dogs and 4 cats also. So it's like a mini zoo that I manage. But I think it's all about your mental capacity. So if you think that अरे बहुत थकान है and नहीं कर सकते, तो आप actually थके ही रहोगे. But if you're gung-ho about what you're doing, if you enjoy, like I enjoy taking care of my animals, I enjoy taking care of my child. So I'm never tired for doing their work.
Just for our audience, we are in Mumbai right now and we are shooting in Mumbai and it's 38 degrees, 40 degrees, very bad heat. So in that context, how do you take care of 2 things? One, your pets are hydrated, they are well, and second, how do you take care of your kid? Because बच्चों को बाहर खेलने जाने का मन होता है,
उनको गर्मी लगती नहीं है.
Exactly. So how do you take care of that?
See, Rushki, we try to. He himself is very, cleanliness freak. So he takes 3 baths a day.
अच्छा.
So वो उसकी एक आदत है, which I tell him पानी waste नहीं होना चाहिए उसमें भी, because वो है. But I make him wear cotton clothes, so that I think really helps. And other than that, I think a child should, obviously, I'm not saying go and play in the heat, but a child should not be made an air-conditioned baby either.
Right.
So I don't remember कि हम स्कूल में जब जाते थे तो हमारे एयर कंडीशन स्कूल्स होते थे. तो आजकल बच्चे half the time they have cold or they are sick because वो AC schools में जा रहे हैं. So I want him to be open to it. At the same time, I tell him to keep drinking water, keep staying hydrated, and it's the same thing with my pets. I make sure there's water for them constantly.
Achha, I have one last question for you before I let you go. Tell me one myth बोल सकते हैं या ऐसा क्या झूठ है जो हमें बताया जाता है as kids by our parents?
That they know it all.
Okay.
So once I became a mother, I told my mom, parents are fraud. ये जो बच्चों को ये दिखाते हैं ना कि हमें सब आता है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं होता है. Once I became a mother, I realized आप गलतियां कर करके सीख रहे हो. So parents are also still learning to be parents. And I believe humans are still growing till they are there on the planet. There's no age where you are complete grown up and you know it all.
Okay. Thank you so much. I'll talk to my mom about this.
Yeah, please do.
That is it from our side. Thank you and keep watching Midday.com.
Subscribe to Midday India. Get direct notifications on all our videos by clicking on the bell icon.